What is going on, YouTube? Miguel with MR Auto Detail, and what you guys are seeing here is my gallon, well, I guess you can say half a gallon of my new product that I've been messing with, which is Superior. It's called Rage. I've been messing with this, trying to see exactly what it does, and trying to find something that's actually going to be as good as Super Clean, because I still like Super Clean for basically my interior, wheels, tires, and engine bay. But I've been messing with the like I said, the new products that I have, and I got some good reviews. I definitely like some of the stuff that I've been playing with. But Rage, I definitely wanted to just show you guys what Rage is actually capable of. So here's my Project Impala. You guys can see at them headlights, clear, looking brand new. And I just did the engine. I should have done a video. I wasn't planning on doing anything tonight. It's Friday. Been working all day and just decided to actually put a new battery in. Had a dead battery in. One thing I led to another, started messing with it and ended up detailing the engine. Same thing with the cover, or the insulation, I guess you can say, the hood insulation. And I'm actually impressed. I diluted 3-to-1. I normally do 4-to-1 and 5-to-1, but I did 3-to-1 on my Rage just to see what it was capable of. And here are the results, guys. It looks pretty shiny on some of the parts, on some of the plastics. I have not even done 303 on it to give the blacks and the rubbers and the plastic a nice rich dark look. And I did one of the wheels, and that's no scrubbing, no nothing. I just got to get up there, and here it is. So I have it a wheel bug and tar cleaner, because it actually does tar from what I was told. But here's one of the wheels, and I'm just gonna go ahead and spray some. This wheel doesn't look as bad as the one that I did in the front, so I'm gonna go do the other front one so you guys can see what this thing actually is capable of. It still has a strong smell, like a degreaser smell, so make sure you wear a mask or something so you don't breathe in the chemicals like I am. It's super dark. I mean, it looks almost like Coke or Pepsi. So let me do this other wheel real quick. Like I said, I didn't even scrub it. I just sprayed it on, left it on for a few seconds, and I used my pressure washer. These other wheels are not as bad as the other one in the front, as the driver's side. But anyways, I'm gonna just spray it on. Same thing with the inside. Get all that stuff in there. And that looks like it's nasty gunk. So we'll see how good that is to that gunk. I actually seen tar coming down as soon as I spray some of the Rage. Alright, hang on real quick, guys. I'm gonna grab my power washer. It's gonna get a little loud, so hang tight. definitely can see that it definitely does work. No scrubbing involved, which is good. Got a couple little spots that I'm gonna get, but didn't really do much of them. Yeah, so still there, but I mean everything else is pretty clean. Okay, let's put your food away. Put your food away. Yes. Shaky. There it is. I mean, I'm impressed. I'm going to, from Super Clean and other degreasers, I gotta give it to Rage for Superior. Got good results. Like I said, I didn't even have to scrub those wheels. You guys just saw that I sprayed. Let's sit there for a few seconds and then just washed it off. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit those corners again and see if I can get that gunk to come out. Yeah, that one actually looks like it's caked on. It looks like it doesn't want to come out, so we'll give it a few seconds and we'll see what it does. See if the second pass does anything. If anything, I'll probably just end up scrubbing that little section there. Yeah, this stuff is pretty strong, so make sure you don't inhale it. And one more time. Not bad. For no scrubbing them off, I'll take it. All day, every day. Alright guys, just wanted to share that with you guys. Project Impala coming along great. I'm gonna finish her off tonight, and I'll probably start on it tomorrow. Start doing some clay bars. I'm gonna do a complete exterior detail. Get all this nasty gunk out and make this pearl shine like it's meant to, and this way I can put it up for sale on Monday or Tuesday and hopefully be gone by then. Perfect, YouTube. Once again, it's Rage from Superior. You can actually get that at your O'Reilly's, and the way you can order is by giving them the stock number. If you go to superior.com or even download their app. As long as you can see their stock number on the products, you can actually order it through your O'Reilly's. Most of the stuff you can get pretty dirt cheap. You know, for a gallon size, I mean, I think I think this was on sale for $8. The Rage is definitely, it was $22 I believe, but it is a gallon size. It's probably about the same cost as Super Clean. It took a few days for me to get the product from O'Reilly's. I think it took 1 or 2 days. I don't remember, I don't recall. And like I said, I've been messing with a lot of stuff, and I'm going to be making different videos and different episodes on each and every one of these products that I've been messing around with, so you guys can actually get a feel for it. I used this and I'm impressed with it. Alright, YouTube, I'm gonna get back at it. I'm gonna be making another video, and hopefully by the next time you see this thing, it'll be a lot shinier than it is. Appreciate the love and the support. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Also, if you have any questions, please feel free to comment. You can always reach me through YouTube or Facebook at MR Auto Detail, and I'll be checking you guys out, man. I appreciate it.